This is a 1957 Ford Fairlane Tudor Sedan, and this got my attention because you seldom see these. There were 4 series in 1957: the Custom 300, the Fairlane, which is this car, and the Fairlane 500. Almost always the car that is saved for restoration is the Fairlane 500. This is definitely a nice color scheme too. This is a green and white. I'm sure the interior has been redone. Nice white upholstery, and the green dashboard looks very nice. Matches the exterior. Has automatic transmission. And there you can see the B-pillar. So this is a two-door sedan. Original wheels and wheel covers. And looking here, we have the fin, and you notice that two-tone effect is different from the Fairlane 500. Now this car has a Continental kit, which would be highly unusual for something that's not the top of the line, but at any rate, there it is. I thought there was a lot to recommend this color scheme, even compared to the Fairlane 500. It's very unique. And there it is. Very nice.